Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla transmission fluid. First, gather your tools, including a drain pan, a 14mm or 10mm socket, a torque wrench, and a funnel. Safely lift your Corolla using a jack and secure it on jack stands, ensuring it is level. It is crucial to consult your owner's manual for the specific transmission fluid type, such as Toyota WS or Type T Roman 4, and the exact refill capacity, typically around 3 to 4 quarts for a drain and fill. Once your vehicle is safely elevated, locate the transmission drain plug on the bottom of the transmission pan. Position a large drain pan underneath to collect the old fluid. Using the correct wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Allow the fluid to drain completely, which can take up to 15 to 20 minutes. The fluid should be a clear red. If it's dark or smells burnt, it indicates significant wear. Remember to replace the drain plug's crush washer for a tight seal. After draining, remove the transmission pan bolts, typically 10mm, and carefully lower the pan. Clean the pan thoroughly, removing any metallic debris from the magnets. Next, unbolt and replace the old transmission filter, usually held by 3 10mm bolts. Install a new gasket onto the cleaned pan, ensuring it sits correctly. Carefully reattach the transmission pan, tightening the bolts evenly to prevent leaks. Now it's time to refill. Locate the transmission fill port, often near the dipstick tube. Using a clean funnel, slowly add the new, correct transmission fluid, typically around 3 to 4 quarts. Start the engine and cycle the shifter through all gear positions, pausing for a few seconds in each. With the engine still running and at operating temperature, check the fluid level using the dipstick. The fluid should be between the hot marks for proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.